Hi, Gaynell. This is Chet, and I will tell you something. Reasons to say yes to purple. So, first of all, you will say yes because this person or purple is the most intelligent person I know ever. Well, hindi pa mo bola yan. Pangalawa, she loves you all the way. Pangatlo, she will make you um she will make you complete, she will make your day bright. Third, mahal ka niya. Fourth, aalagaan ka niya lagi. Well, tested yan. Sa mga friends pa lang maalaga na yan. Eh, ano pa sa'yo, 'di ba? Fifth, sobrang mahal ka talaga niyan eh. Walang mintes. Ah, pang-anim, hindi ka pababayaan niya. Promise, hindi ka pababayaan niya. At pang-pito, mahal na mahal ka niya. At nakalimutan ko bang sabihin na mahal ka niya. At sana naman sagutin mo na kasi 'di ba yung background music, unconditionally, love song, 'di ba? So, feel ko naman eh mapapasay yes ka na. Yun lang. And I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations and I wish you all the best. God bless.